Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Bingo Cash game. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Bingo Cash game and start playing, you may start to notice various different notifications from the game that will pop up on your device occasionally. So if you wish to turn this off, you may find yourself searching for these settings within the gear icon at the top right corner. However, there is no particular option that will allow you to disable notifications. So you will need to do this from your phone settings. Or as a shortcut, just long press on the Bingo Cash game and then tap on the info button at the top. This will now take you into the application info page for the Bingo Cash game. Now underneath privacy, you will see the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now if the allow notifications option is turned on, then this means that notifications are allowed within your device. So simply tap on the toggle and this will now turn off all notifications from the Bingo Cash game on your device. So make sure that this button is turned off if you don't wish to receive any notifications on your device. And you can come back into this menu and change the setting at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Bingo Cash game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.